Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. And today we are going to study about the one of the most important topic of the organic chemistry, which is the benzoin condensation. So, if you are somehow liking our videos and us regularly watching it, so please try to support our channel by subscribing it, and it means a lot to me. So, let's study the benzoin condensation. It is in the benzoin condensation. It is a condensation reaction which in which we are condensing the benzoin. We are making the benzoin. Okay, so in the benzoin condensation, we will take the in the benzoin condensation we will take the benzaldehyde or the 2 moles of benzaldehyde, which means we will take two benzaldehydes, or we can write it as the this. We can write it as this. ओके, सो हमने दो बेंजल्डिहाइड लेने थे, हमने ले लिए. अब इसको हम रिएक्ट कराएंगे KCN के साथ, विच इज व्हाट इज KCN हियर. इट इज द पोटेशियम साइनाइड. ठीक है. अब ये क्या फॉर्म करा लेगा? बेंजोइन. हम बेंजोइन कंडेंसेशन करनी थी, हमने बेंजोइन बनाना था. यहाँ पे हम बेंजोइन बना देंगे. बेंजोइन का स्ट्रक्चर कुछ ऐसा होता है, एंड बेंजोइन विल फॉर्म हियर. ठीक है. अब we have studied the reaction that two benzaldehyde reacting in the presence of potassium cyanide it will form the benzoin. So अभी हुआ कैसे, how it is possible and how it is forming. So for that we have to study the mechanism of this reaction. So in the mechanism of this reaction, we will take KCN and we will dissociate it into the K positive and Cn negative. Potassium and cyanide. KCN is potassium cyanide dissociate into the potassium and cyanide ion. And now this cyanide ion will reacted with this benzaldehyde. We have two benzaldehydes. We took the one benzaldehyde and reacted it with the dissociated cyanide ion. And this cyanide ion now will go towards this carbon and will join here. So we will write it as C double bond O H and Cn. And this double bond will go to the upward direction and develops negative charge. And now it will look like this. And now what will happen? Now this H, uh, let it let me do this in the next step. Now this H and this O will join and make the OH. Okay, and now we have this compound. And now what we will do, we will add one with the remaining benzaldehyde to this compound, and this carbon will join here. Okay, so it will look like this. Double bond OH, sorry, H, and here is the benzene ring. Okay, so we will write this compound as here. Okay, so now what will happen, basically this double bond will shift towards the upper side, and we will write OH like this in the open structure, and O negative and H, and like this. And now this H will bond with the O, and OH will form. I will write it as in the downward slide, and O Cn, and O it will develop negative charge, and C, and on the this oxygen the H will bond, and it be the hydroxyl group or the alcohol. And now this negative charge will again come towards the downward section and develop the double bond. And with this the double bond, the cyanide is a good leaving group, and it will leave this whole compound, and it will form the uh, which was a goal to form the benzoin. It's a very simple reaction. very simple reaction. Let me show you this whole reaction. So हमने क्या बनाना था बेंजोइन कंडेंसेशन में, दो एसिटाल्डिहाइड एक एसियन के साथ रिएक्ट कराया एंड वी मेक द बेंजोइन. So it was only for the today's day. Thank you.